भारती न्यूज़, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं सौभाग्य कौशल और आप देख रहे हैं भारती न्यूज़। तो दोस्तों, इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूं इंडिया के वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट किड्स कार्निवल में, जो कि है द ग्रेट इंडियन किड्स फेस्टिवल। तो आप देख सकते हैं हर बार की तरह इस बार भी ढेर सारे बच्चों ने, ढेर सारे स्कूल्स ने पार्टिसिपेट करा। आप देख सकते हो छोटे छोटे बच्चे जा रहे हैं अपने परफॉर्मेंस की तरफ, और ऐसे ही जो है इन बच्चों का जो जोश है वो वातावरण में महसूस हो रहा है। बाकी बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारे किड्स हैं और यहाँ तक कि बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स भी लगे हैं। तो आइए सभी से बात करेंगे और जानेंगे कि उनका क्या कहना है इस बार के द ग्रेट इंडियन किड फेस्टिवल के बारे में। हमारे साथ एक स्टॉल ओनर जुड़े हैं, चलिए उनसे बातचीत करते हैं और जानते हैं क्या कहना है उनका। सो हाउ अबाउट यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट?
Yeah, so I'm Hema. I'm from the Oxford Preschool, east of Kailash branch, and we have another branch in Gurgaon. And so right now the entire team is coming from the east of Kailash branch. So this is a preschool. It's still kindergarten. We also have a daycare facility, and as you can see in our standees, we organize birthday parties, events in school, and we also have after-school program for the children up to 8 to 9 to 10 years. Yeah.
तो ये आपका फर्स्ट टाइम है इस किड्स फेस्टिवल में या
Yes,
पहले?
this is the first time. This is the first time we have come for the kids festival over here in Indira Gandhi Stadium.
स्टॉल में किड्स के लिए क्या एक्टिविटीज़ आपने अरेंज किया?
Yeah, so currently we have two games right now in this stall. We have a play spinner and we have a straw spectrum challenge. It's for the up to the age group of 8 years. So children can come and have fun in the stalls and play their games and enjoy the day. Yeah.
So do you like the arrangement that is done by this fest?
Yes, definitely. It's beautifully arranged and organized. It's well organized here as well. I can see many schools and many other faculties which has come from different schools, and it is beautifully organized. Yes, it is.
आगे भी दोबारा you will again like to participate and
Definitely we will consider in future as well.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, hi, first of all, good morning. And then we own a play area. Me, myself, Sahiba, and she is Nanki in my partner.
Hi, good morning.
And we have a play area that's based on a carnival theme in Patel Nagar by the name of Kiddies Kingdom. So we have put a stall for all the little, girly kids over here, and for the boys we have kept tattoo, face art, and we have got hair beading. So we are, thrilled and excited to, deck them up, all the kids, and just have fun with them.
So how did you like the crowd so far?
We have
Even the kids and everything, the whole, I think, good people. Even the stalls are very nice. Very nice people have put up the stall.
So arrangement जो है fest का, that is really good.
Yes, very nice.
It's all very neat and
Neat
clean,
and
very hygienic, and very, in a very disciplined manner, so that you can, justify like these are the stalls for the games, and the other part is the yeah.
Next year भी would you like to come again?
Of course, yes. Of course, we are excited for today itself, to have great fun and enjoy the food as well over here.
We have cafe also, so there's food also that side. We have Maggie, pasta and everything. Popcorn, candy floss, so you can enjoy the food that side also.
Thank you so much.
Great experience. It's the first kids carnival for us. She's just turned 3, so it's quite an awesome experience for us.
So it's really good for the kids, their overall
Of
development.
course, yes. We're enjoying it. She's enjoying it. She's enjoying it. So both are enjoying it.
आप दोबारा भी आना चाहोगे?
Of course, yes.
And stalls और arrangement के बारे
We
में?
haven't been to any stalls, so we'll just go and check it out.
Thank you so much. Are your kids enjoying?
यस मैम वेरी वेल
और excitement है?
बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है
आपको अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पर आके?
वेरी एक्साइटेड वी आर ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड वी आर एंजॉइंग अ लॉट
Would you like to say something your kids are enjoying?
Yeah, very much.
आपको भी excitement है?
Yeah, it's always been fun, with kids and all such things to do.
पहले भी आप आए हो यहाँ पे?
No, this is our first time.
Okay, and दोबारा भी आना चाहोगे? Alright, thank you. Okay, so what fun stuff do you have here for the kids?
So we are India's one and only toy renting service which provides these big toys like these roller coasters, the trampoline with net. We have those battery operated cars. We provide them for a weekly rental. Okay, so like let's say if you want a battery operated car, if you go to the market and buy it for like 15,000, okay, the child might not even play for 15 days. While we rent it out for a week for only rupees 950, the child can play the whole week and enjoy, and then you can rent something else.
So how do you feel like bringing your service to this fest?
This is amazing because we have all complete customer group here. All the preschools are coming here, all the kids are coming there with moms, so they can check out our service, they can actually experience it firsthand and see how the child is enjoying, and if they really feel this is need of the hour, they can always rent from us.
तो फेस्ट के में भी जो अरेंजमेंट है, व्हाट वुड यू से अबाउट द अरेंजमेंट?
The arrangements are very good. In fact, I am part of the sponsors here. So you will see Just Play on all these boards. So all the rides, games, activities that you see here are largely done by Just Play.
So would you like to come again next year?
Of course, why not? We do a lot of these fests throughout the year at different places. So next weekend you will find us at AeroCity. We are doing a huge kids event again at GMR AeroCity.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
आपका नाम?
प्रशा,
Niharika.
सुमैया.
तो आप लोगों का बेसिकली क्या रोल है यहाँ पे?
Okay, so we are from Pechan, the street school. It is basically an organization for underprivileged kids, and we teach them, and there are like other all duties and all. So here we are like having our stall, and we are volunteering here, and that's all.
तो बेसिकली क्या सर्विस आप यहाँ पे फेस्टिवल में दे रहे हैं?
As there are a lot of schools, as you can see.
We are just helping the kids, just managing them, making them in a queue, and all that stuff.
So are you guys having fun coordinating? How about you?
Very much. It's very fun. You can view the whole location is vibing like a kid, although
We are enjoying more than the kids with all these stuffies and all.
So okay, so next year you will love to do the same thing.
For sure.
Next time क्या आप दोबारा आना चाहोगे?
हाँ बिल्कुल, हमारे चिल्ड्रन को अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हमारे बच्चे अभी 3 साल के भी नहीं हैं एंड दे आर परफॉर्मिंग एट अ स्टेज ऑफ पीपल अराउंड 12,000. द स्टेडियम इज़ फॉर 12,000 persons. So I am very happy that there are events in India, in Delhi, that our children can perform here.
It's really good for the kids' overall development.
Yeah, it's very important for the children to give them opportunity, a stage where they can perform, where we can see our children performing. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, myself Ashima. I'm from Shamrock.
I'm a principal of the Shamrock Sector 23 Rohini. I'm Iti Goyal.
I'm Mala Singh. I'm a teacher.
So आपके स्कूल के kids ने भी यहाँ पे participate किया. So how would you say, how was the event?
We are finding the event very good. Arrangement is quite good, and the way they are just doing all the things, that is overwhelming. Yeah.
Arrangement is very nice.
And you?
Very nice.
So do you think it was really good, a good experience for the kids, for their overall development?
Yeah.
Because they are getting so many audience now here, that will boost up their morale, that will boost up their confidence. That is very good.
तो नेक्स्ट ईयर भी शेमरॉक के बच्चे दोबारा ज्वाइन करेंगे.
Shamrock Sector 23 Rohini के बच्चे will definitely come here.
थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. थैंक यू. तो हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं भारतीय विद्यापीठ इंस्टीट्यूट के डायरेक्टर प्रोफेसर अमन होडा सर. तो चलिए उनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं उनका क्या कहना है. नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार.
तो सर आप इतने बड़े फेस्टिवल का हिस्सा बने, क्या कैसा लगा?
ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि इस फेस्टिवल को मैंने अटेंड किया और तकरीबन 4 घंटे अटेंड करके मैंने पाया कि जो ऑर्गेनाइज़र्स ने जिस मकसद और जिस पर्पस के लिए प्रोग्राम करने की कोशिश की है वो अपने आप में कामयाब हो रहे हैं. देखें, आप जो टैलेंट्स होता है वो टैलेंट को जब तक आप रिकग्नाइज़ न करें, उनको रिकग्नाइज़ करने के बाद अप्रिशिएट न करें, तो वो टैलेंट आगे ग्रो नहीं करता. सो जिस इंटेंशन के साथ, जिस ऑब्जेक्टिव के साथ गिव राइजिंग स्टार्स इंडिया फाउंडेशन ने या स्कूल यात्रा ने और इन दोनों के जो प्रमोटर्स हैं मिस्टर सुमित वर्मा और साथ में मिस्टर अनुभव अरोड़ा, इन लोगों ने जिस पैशन, जिस कमिटमेंट के साथ टैलेंट्स को अलग अलग स्कूलों में, छोटे छोटे बच्चों के टैलेंट्स को, उनके हुनर को पहचाना है और उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म में उनका रिकग्निशन हो सके, उनके टैलेंट का अप्रिसिएशन हो सके, ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है अपने आप में. और मैं हमेशा इसके लिए ये कहता हूँ कि कल न हम होंगे न कोई गिला होगा, कल न हम होंगे न कोई गिला होगा, बस सिमटी हुई खट्टी मीठी यादों का एक सिलसिला होगा. जो भी वक्त मिला है आओ अच्छा कुछ कर गुजरें, जाने कल तकदीर का क्या फ़ैसला होगा.
तो सर आपने छोटे छोटे बच्चों को अपना टैलेंट दिखाते देखा, परफॉर्मेंस करते देखा, उनका ये उत्साह, उनका ये इंथुजियाज्म देख के आपको कैसा लगा?
फैबुलस, एब्सोल्युटली मेस्मराइजिंग। और मैं ये हमेशा सोचता हूँ कि इन छोटे छोटे स्कूल के बच्चों की इन टैलेंट के पीछे एक उनके टीचर्स उनके स्कूल में और उनके पेरेंट्स घर पे कितनी एनर्जी लगाते होंगे। एंड वी मस्ट सैल्यूट टू बोथ ऑफ देम, देयर टीचर्स एज वेल एज देयर पेरेंट्स, जो उन छोटे छोटे बच्चों के कदम ताल को संभाल के इस मेस्मराइजिंग परफॉर्मेंस के लिए तैयार करते हैं। और इसे देख के तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ह्यूज क्रिएटिविटी एंड इनोवेशन इन छोटे छोटे लिटिल बच्चों के अंदर भी मौजूद है।
तो बच्चों के लिए आपने जैसे बोला पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स, उनके लिए आप एक पर्टिकुलर कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
मैसेज ये है कि बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स और अच्छा करने की गुंजाइश है, तो हमेशा बीट द अनबीटन बेंचमार्क एंड ट्रैवल द अनट्रैवल्ड पाथ, इसी मैसेज के साथ आगे बढ़ें।
तो अगली बार भी हम आपको यहाँ देख सकते हैं?
श्योर।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
माय प्लेजर।
Okay, so ma'am, you anchored the whole event. What do you think? How was the event?
The event was just fantabulous. It was fantastic, and I'm sure that every parent is going to vouch for this event. This is surely India's, or I should say Asia's, largest kids festival. And thanks to Mr. Sumit Verma, Mr. Anubhav Arora, to give me this opportunity to host for such a grand event with so many children across Delhi NCR. So thank you so much once again. It was super fun.
Alright, and which part of the event you liked the most?
I loved every part of the event, and of course the children. That's the part I love the most always. So thank you so much. And the way they have been performing, the confidence, that gift of belief the parents are instilling in the children is just fantastic. And I'm sure that the future of India and all of us is so bright looking at all these young children.
And anything to say about the future, the upcoming Great Indian Kids Festival 2025?
Guys, don't miss it. It's going to be bigger and back with a bang. And I'm going to see you all here at the Great Indian Kids Festival once again.
तो हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं द फाउंडर ऑफ द ग्रेट इंडियन किड्स फेस्टिवल एंड इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर। तो चलो इनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं इनका क्या कहना है। तो सर, ह्यूमंगस इवेंट, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
So I think thank you for that good words. You know, we really appreciate. We tried our best to bring down all children to one platform, and I hope इससे बड़ा biggest arena तो मिल ही नहीं सकता. You know, one among the India's largest and biggest. So we were very happy that the chairman and directors, the teachers, the nannies and grannies of all good preschool, you know, they really initiated and worked well. You know, they were on toes. सबको लेके आए बच्चों को, इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया, and they are the shining stars of our India. So we hope and say best of luck to them that they really rock the show ahead also.
तो इस बार जो इवेंट का गोल था, डू यू थिंक इट्स सक्सेसफुली इट्स कंप्लीटेड?
See, it's all on the word of mouth. I think we tried our best, but yes, since it's a big event, कुछ mistake हमारे से भी हो सकती है. Though we tried to organize everything, but somewhere we missed the catch. But there is always a new learning, and we are ready for it. Anything that comes out from the school directors, you know, parents, we'll take it on a happy note. We'll try to improve more. We've been doing such kind of things, and we will be doing more ahead.
And what would you like to say about the parents, the kids who actively participate?
The parents had a very good temperament to hold them, despite getting late also. You know, those small kids were rolling, and when they came onto this big platform, it was a successful journey. We were so happy to see them, you know, those smiles. Yes, some cries too, but very nicely hand-holded by sub-school ke teachers, chairmen, directors, nannies. A beautiful show, and we congratulate those preschools a lot, and we tell them that you really rocked well, and yes, you took a lot of initiative, lot of good wishes from our side.
Right. So this year's festival went really well. What do you think about the future, the upcoming?
2024 has ended on a good note. Today, 17th November at IG Stadium. Fingers crossed, we'll be very soon rolling it with 2025, and with all the coordination of, you know, good, I should say, Bharti Vidya team as a partner to us. It was really great. You know, all the volunteers were high on note, and yes, despite a little cranky start, things went out very nicely, and you coordinated all very well. A big successful thank you to Bharti News, and thank you for covering this entire event. And yes, a big thank you to Mr. M.N. Huda, who is always on toes, you know, pushing and trying to give the best inside a college student too, जहाँ सोचते हैं बहुत बड़े हो गए, but he gives his best. A big thank you and with folded hands, thank you very much to the entire Bharati Vidyapeeth community.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच। तो जैसे कि हमने अभी तक देखा कि कितने स्कूल्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, कितने सारे बच्चे आए और हर एज ग्रुप के बच्चे हमें यहाँ पे नज़र आए। यहाँ तक कि हमने पेरेंट्स से बात करी, स्टॉल ओनर से बात करी और सबका हमें उत्साह जो है नज़र आया। तो ये था द ग्रेट इंडियन किड्स फेस्टिवल विच इज़ इंडियाज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट किड्स कार्निवल। ऐसी और जानकारी के लिए बने रहिए। कैमरामैन अंकित के साथ रिपोर्टर सौभाग्या कौशल, भारती न्यूज़।